With ChildFriendly, families can access their balances, invoices, and receipts directly from their portal. They can also make payments. And they can also update their banking information. At year-end, families can view and print their official tax receipts, compliant with CRA and IRS regulations. For separated families, authorized portal users can only access their own invoices, payments, tax receipts, and personal details, ensuring privacy from other members. With ChildFriendly, empower your families to manage their childcare finances with ease.